I'm gonna show you how to connect your MEXC trading account into TradingView. So to get started, you have to open first your TradingView account, then sign in into your account. And then from here, as you can see, you cannot connect your TradingView via MEXC because it is not a supported broker on TradingView. So you can check it here on the trading panel that you cannot locate or find any MEXC trusted brokers. But there is another way to trade using the TradingView account. You have to go to your MEXC account first and then sign in into your account. And then from there, you can see that there's a TradingView button on your chart right beside the chart right here. So if you click on the TradingView account, it is already affiliated with MEXC. So there's no need to connect your TradingView account here anymore. So you can just all you have to do is just click on TradingView account, and as you can see on the bottom pane right there, it is already on a TradingView chart. So you can use this as reference to connect or to use for your trading. So that's it. That's how to connect your MEXC account into TradingView.